Electric fence charger. Installation is very simple. Versatile power options. High capacity output. Top quality materials. Effective wildlife deterrent. How to install the electric fence charger. Step 1. Install safety signs. Step 2. Nail a nail and hang the machine. Step 3. The red terminal is a high voltage pulse output terminal, and the black terminal is a ground terminal. Step 4. The red terminal needs to be connected to the fence wire, and the black terminal needs to be connected to the grounding stake. Step 5. Connect the power adapter or 12 voltage battery to activate the perfect protection for poultry and crops. This electric fence charger can release 4.5 joules 12 kV of electric current, driving animals without injury, and will not cause harm to humans and animals.